What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos educational channel. My name is T. Haas from the Crypto Shop, and of course, you know I brought my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's up? What's up, YouTube? Hope everybody's doing great today.
Hey, man, this is yet another educational video, but today we're going to be talking about some breaking news that happened on yesterday, and we've been kind of following this story, but we did want to make sure we brought it to the ClearCryptos channel. Guys, if you're familiar with XRP and the Ripple XRP, same name situation, you know that there's a lot going on in regards to the government kind of fighting that particular cryptocurrency. But Ripple has not missed a beat. I mean, literally every time we turn around, there's more adoption for Ripple, more good news for Ripple, and it's looking like they just might win this case. We're going to take you through a couple stories that kind of highlight some of this information we've been following. Now, this particular story on cryptonews.net, it says that XRP classified as digital currency by Goldman Sachs and Wells Fargo HSBC report. However, when I read through the story, I didn't really feel like it had that much information in it. So I looked up another story on ProCoin News covering basically the same information. The XRP lawsuit judge grants Ripple's request to review videos of SEC video. Okay, if we go down here and we click on brand new Wells Fargo report classifies XRP as a cryptocurrency, this is the report that we actually want to read. So we go down here, it says major banks, Wells Fargo just released a brand new report that confirms what its current views are for multiple digital assets that exist today. One of the most impressive things that it included in its report is that it classifies XRP as a digital currency alongside Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash. This is contradictory to what the SEC has been claiming in the recent Ripple lawsuit, which is that XRP is considered a security, which is a big difference, right? Also, trending, Goldman Sachs now also classifies XRP as a currency. If a major bank like Wells Fargo has classified XRP as a currency, it may be quite likely that many financial institutions also have the same view. Therefore, it is not a surprise that XRP is to continue to be the top choice for many financial institutions around the world, despite the current lawsuit in the US. This is important because if you know the difference between a security and a currency, basically, if they're classified as a digital currency, they can't be touched by the SEC. It's basically just like having money versus having stocks and assets, right? You're not going to be able to get taxed on that like you would be in a digital currency. So this particular story we thought was very important. That's why we decided to cover it. But Justin has even more news for you. So go ahead, Jay.
Yeah, so first, before I move on, this XRP as a currency by Wells Fargo is huge. I mean, it's such a big deal because this really puts a big plot hole in the SEC, the whole SEC's argument in their lawsuit. And if more banks start to adopt Ripple as a currency, it's going to be very hard for the SEC to come in and try to take control of crypto. And then it should also be a domino effect for the rest of crypto to hopefully start to be classified as a currency and not a security or commodity. But with that, XRP is also it's just on an absolute tear. So today, Watcher Guru came out and said that Ripple's been added to the Inc. 5000 list of fastest growing private companies in America. So if we pulled up an article here about it being ranked 123 among 5,000 of the U.S. fastest growing firms. So it's absolutely killing it. It's seen 3,039% growth in the past 3 years, and it's topped private startups, OneTrust, and other notable blockchains like BitPay. So it's just moving like crazy, and Ripple's something that everybody's going to want to look out for in the future.
Yeah, absolutely, no doubt. And thank you for that. What I will say, for those of you that aren't familiar with what the 5,000 Inc. is, basically it is a list of the 5,000 fastest growing private companies in the U.S. Them getting on this particular list is a very big deal, right? It's not saying that, XRP is going to the moon. Nobody's saying that. What I am saying is that all of these things starting to line up will be very, very bullish for them in their fight against the government. So for all of you that are invested in XRP, I am not a current investor. But I wish you guys the best, and this is looking good for you. But that being said, this is the ClearCryptos channel. This is the educational channel. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video when you get the opportunity, and be on the lookout for more videos from myself and all of the other influencers in this channel. But my name is T. Hobbs from the Crypto Shop. That guy up there is Justin Seals, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.